Hi guys, on this video I'm going to show you what I'm currently working on, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you what inspired me to do what I'm doing. Okay guys, I wrote this code using Python. This code is for me to communicate with a computer or a robot. So I wrote this code for the Raspberry Pi. But at the moment I'm still busy coding it. So I'll show you everything as soon as I'm done with this code. So let me show you some tests. How are you? Run it again. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
What is your name?
I'm the robot by the name Neon Blue.
Neon Blue. Neon Blue.
Yes sir, how can I assist you today?
Who am I?
If you are Mr. Africa, you are an engineer, sir.
Okay guys, I'm about to play the video that inspired me to do what I'm currently doing. So keep on watching. Okay guys, the name of the video, you can search it on YouTube. It's called The Coolest Robot I Ever Built on YouTube. I don't know the name of the channel, but this inspired me a lot. So if you want to watch it, you can. If you want to watch the whole video, just search this title, then you watch the whole video. I'm not gonna play the whole video.
Computer. Computer, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes! When I was a kid,